is Daan from Knippenberg. I'm a professor of organizational behavior at the Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University, Rotterdam, in the Netherlands. And I want to introduce you to a company called Diagnostics. Diagnostics is where science meets practice. It is a company that offers a tool to assess, in a state-of-the-science way, the strategic understanding of people within your organization. And why is this important? This is important because your organizational strategy, your strategic management is only going to be as effective as the people implementing it. Strategic understanding is important, is a key driver of the success of any organizational strategy, because ultimately this relies on the proactive contribution. Implementation of a strategy relies on the proactive contribution, motivated contribution of all people in the organization. So what you want ultimately when it comes to strategic objectives is you want everybody on the same page. You want to have a shared understanding throughout the organization of your organizational strategy. At a certain point in this strategic management, so what you want to do is assess the shared understanding. You want to know where people agree and disagree in their understanding of organizational objectives. And this is where Diagnostics comes in, offering, based on the latest scientific insight, an easy-to-use, very intuitive way to assess and visualize people's strategic understanding. And it allows you to determine, within any given business unit, within any given team in your organization, the extent to which people disagree or agree in their understanding of strategic objectives, what exactly they agree or disagree on. And it allows you to do the same thing between business units, for instance, to determine the extent to which different teams, different units agree or disagree in their understanding of strategic objectives vis-a-vis the top management team. So one thing that this does is it tells you what to talk about exactly to which people. So it allows you to have a more focused effort if you want to change, if you want to increase strategic understanding. What it also does, this tool, is include measures of key drivers of strategic understanding. It also assesses different factors that from an HR perspective yield actionable knowledge to change, to increase strategic understanding, such as leadership, organizational communication, focused efforts to engage teams in strategic dialogue, etc. So ultimately what it does, it gives you the information, the actionable information you need and you can bring to bear to build and strengthen strategic understanding and ultimately the successful implementation of your organizational strategy.